Mains failures can cause enormous damage. Therefore, supply critical processes and save production data by a controlled system shutdown. The TRIO3 DC UPS with capacitive energy storage unit is your maintenance-free solution for supplying critical loads and has a service life that is 10 times longer than normal. The use of supercapacitors enables at least 500,000 charging and discharging cycles. The power supply, UPS, and energy storage unit are combined in just one housing, therefore simplifying installation. The high-performance power supply provides a power boost of 150%, and, in combination with the energy storage unit, a boost of up to 350% for starting dynamic loads, for example. You can operate, configure, and monitor the power supply locally on the device via USB-C or via the RS485 interface.